Hello, my name is Luiza Ribeiro. I am a student of Architecture and Urbanism at PUC Campinas in Brazil. And today I would like to talk about clean mobility, health, and environmental education, contributions of urban and peri-urban trails to qualified life in municipalities. Here there is the name of the person who helped me in this work, Alessandra Leite da Silva and Admilson Ribeiro. And I would like to apologize for my English. In this introduction, I would like to talk about the importance of trails and also say that the big cities in Brazil, as well in other parts of the world, have been growing in a disorganized way. So people start to use public space for social usage and environment conservation. This kind of use provides a better quality of life, benefits health, and also help the population to the concept of education, environmental, and also add an important concept of preservation and perception. The object of this study was to analyze the infrastructure of urban and peri-urban trails that are already being used by the population in Campinas, state of São Paulo, in Brazil. But these trails is still without public participation, so I chose 5 areas that are already being used by the population for walking and cycle tours. And the images show each one of them. The first one is Mata do Colombo Trail. The second one is Ribeirão and Yumas Trail. The third one is Parque Ecológico Hermógenes Leitão Trail. The fourth one is the Terras do Barão Trail. And the last one is Argentine Farm. It's important to say that Campinas is one of the largest cities in the state of São Paulo. According to the IBGE, the city has more than 1 million of inhabitants and almost 800 square kilometers. Barão Geraldo is a neighborhood in the city that has a great economic importance. In addition, the same is the local study area. Here we have the definition and the difference between peri-urbanization and urbanization according to the Vale Geraldo in 2007. This difference is about the process from suburbanization and which are based on rural cities' relations with urban expansion over rural areas. We also have the names of each trail and how they are located. The trail number 1, Mata do Quilombo, is located in a peri-urban area with rural, urban, and forest interfaces. The second trail, Ribeirão and Yumas Trail, is located in a peri-urban area with rural and urban interfaces. The third one is Parque Ecológico Hermógenes Leitão, located in a hip area with an urban interface. The trail number 4 is Terras do Barão Trail, located in a peri-urban area with rural, urban, and forest interface. And the last one, Argentine Farms, is located in a peri-urban area with a rural interface. Here we have the data, and these data were obtained during a walking by foot with the aid of GPS, and later information was also obtained by Google Earth. The information obtained was distance, floor types, certain use and occupation, absence of public lighting, absence of sinks, attractions, environment damage, accessibility, movement of vehicles and people. Here we have the results of the study. And in this first graph, we can see that the biggest trail is trail number 4, Terras do Barão Trail. And the smaller one is Parque Ecológico Hermógenes Leitão. The image shows 2 of them. The first one is Mata do Quilombo Trail with almost 7 kilometers. And the second one is the smaller one, the Parque Ecológico Hermanos Leitão, with almost 2 kilometers, but it's 1.7. Sorry. Here we have another graph that shows the number of bus stops in each trail. And we can see that trail number 1, Mata do Quilombo, has 3. Trail number 2, Ribeirão Inhumas Trail, has 2. Trail number 3 has also 2 bus stops. Trail number 4, that's the bottom trail, that is the one that has more bus stops, and we can see the photo next to the graph. And the last one, Argentine Farm, has just 1 bus stop. Here we can see the percentage of street lighting in each trail, and the image shows the lamp post in one of them. And we can see that trail number 4 is the one that also has more street lighting, and Argentine Farm, that is trail number 5, it's only natural light that has. Here we can see the number of equipments like gym, playground, parking, food, water in each trail. We also can see that Parque Ecológico Hermanos Leitão, trail number 3, is the one that has more equipment because it's located only in an urban area. In this slide, we can see a photo of Terras do Barão Trail. This photo shows a street that is totally paved floor. This trail is the one that has more this kind of floor and is more than 50% of the trail. The indicative things we can see only in the trail that is 100% urban. That is trail number 3, Parque Ecológico Hermanos Leitão. The other trails just has street marks and other kinds of things. In this study, we analyzed the number of people in a Saturday between 9 a.m. and 10 a.m. And we can see that all the trails has persons walking in a cycle, but Parque Ecológico Hermanos Leitão is the one that has a biggest number of people using. In conclusion, I would like to say that the trail that has more infrastructure offered by the city is the one that has more visitors daily. And this shows that the importance of establishing research to support public policies that help cities to incorporate this space in their management. It's observed that with little investment, digital technologies and creative, these trails can generate different benefits to the entire population, like mailing in the matter of well-being and environment valuation, in addition to contributing to issues of climate change. Here we have the reference that I used in my research. And finally, I would like to thank you for watching. And here there's my email if you want to contact me.